save room for dessert, right?
I'm ready for a little love, baby.
We're gonna take a little bit of chocolate.
Okay, Patrick, but I'm taking my steak with me, buddy.
Perfect. Double boiler here. Paula, you wanna do a favor for me and you wanna crack 5 eggs? And what we'll do with the eggs, I'll measure out some sugar and we'll take the eggs in with their sugar and we'll cream them just a little bit.
Okay, we'll do just that. And Patrick's using 6 ounces of a bittersweet chocolate along with 1/4 cup of sugar.
And I'm gonna let that chocolate melt. I'm gonna take a little bit of the butter.
I'm just gonna throw those shells right down there in the garbage disposal.
2 sticks or a 1/2 pound, either or. And then we're gonna take a rubber spatula, kind of melt this up, get it going a little bit.
We've got that in a double boiler, y'all, so that it won't scorch on us, right?
Correct. We just want to infuse and incorporate and marry the chocolate and the butter together. Okay, we're gonna let that do the work here. Let that go. And I'm gonna take this whisk, cream this a little bit. You don't want to whip too much air into it. We don't want to achieve any type of air like most cakes. I have some cake flour here.
Okay.
And we're gonna do 2 tablespoons. And it's always pre-sifted, so we get a nice fine texture. Don't want the lumps.
This is almost a flourless cake, isn't it?
Yes, we use very little just to hold it all together. You can do flourless, but then it will become a chocolate ganache. Okay, chocolate's melted. Tell you what, you want to take the chocolate on top of, melt that there, and we're just cooling it so we can temper our eggs in with our chocolate so we don't make scrambled eggs.
Okay.
And then you'll notice as it comes down to temperature because of your ice bath, you'll actually bring the...
It's starting to thicken up right now some, Patrick. You ready?
Yes, I am.
They don't look like they're scrambling. That's a good sign.
Beautiful sign, right?
Yes.
I'll tell you what I'm gonna do is get these rings ready for the chocolate to go into.
Okay.
And what we'll do is, Paula, we're gonna spray the rings on the sides. Don't be afraid.
Okay.
Make sure it's nice so it comes out after baking.
This is getting so thick.
That's perfect. It's looking great.
Okay.
And we're just gonna take a little flour at the end here.
Does it
and just
matter?
fold it in.
Okay,
Yeah, we don't want to whisk it because that'll incorporate air and then we'll get too much height. And this will make it nice and dense.
Okay.
And what we're gonna do, Paula, we're gonna bring that over here. And you want to do the honors of doing in the ring?
What do you want to just do something like this?
Yeah.
So how full do you want me to?
Halfway up the ring. Just halfway up.
Halfway up the
because
ring.
it's gonna elevate a little bit and then it'll sink a little bit, kind of like a cheesecake.
Okay. I didn't make too big of a mess,
that's perfect. Let me get these in the oven.
And Patrick says we should bake these at 375, y'all, for about 10 minutes. Just time enough to fix your guest a cup of coffee.
That's perfect. A little raspberry coulis. It's just a natural puree of some beautiful red raspberries.
And what am I stirring here?
That's a simple syrup.
You're taking just fresh raspberries.
Take a full pint, and then we'll take some of that beautiful simple syrup that we made.
Okay.
I have some ready here that's already cooled down.
Oh, okay.
And it's 4 ounces, so you want to do the honors?
Yes. And we're going to put the whole thing in.
You're going to put, I would say, 3/4 of that in there.
Okay. About right there?
Yep, perfect. We're just going to puree it a little bit.
Okay.
And if you want to go ahead and just force that through a little bit without the seeds, and I'll check the cakes here.
Okie doke. Patrick, this sauce is going to be fabulous with your chocolate molten love cake.
I'll make the plates up. 3 of us today, correct?
Okay.
We'll take a little bit of that creme anglaise.
3? Who's the 3rd one?
Well, it's the chocolate molten love cake, so I figured, I might as well make one for my love of my life.
That's
there
the freezer girl.
Yes.
Well, hey, freezer woman. Paula. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Well, come on in now, Jenny, and pull up a seat. Now, is that what they're supposed to look like? A shiny center, like they're not. Oh, ow, ooh.
You okay?
Yeah, it was getting hot.
You're still cooking a little bit because the rings are metal and the sheet pan's a little warm. So by the time we plate it, it'll be perfect.
All right, you have squirted the butterscotch on there, a little creme anglaise, and I don't know who you're kidding with that little dot. So does he make this for you a lot, Jenny?
Absolutely. That's why I married him, was at the love cake.
It was the love cake,
It was
right?
the love cake.
And what is this?
This is a little pistachio tuile that we make at the restaurant. I put a little of this raspberry coulis that we just made. It'll go well with the chocolate.
The smell is heavenly, y'all.
Little.
The chocolate smell is out of this world. I love the simplicity of this recipe.
Throw a couple blueberries, a couple raspberries.
Now, I'm helping myself.
No, it's great. I'm gonna take a seat over here.
Let's dig in.
Okay.
Baby, I love this cake.
How does it taste?
Y'all, this is incredible. Incredible.
All right.
Maybe I still love you.
Oh, you still love me. All right. The love cake is still in.
I can see why you love this man.
This is true.